1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello, kids, welcome to another video of Fun Factory Kids. Let's learn numbers 1 to 10. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10.
'Wow!
Let's learn shapes. Hi, I'm circle. Sun is circle shape. Football is circle shape. Clock is circle shape. I am square. Gift box is square shape. Frame is score. Pizza is score shape. I am triangle. Signboard is triangle shape. Ice cream cone is triangle shape. Carrot is cone shape. Let's count together. Come on, everyone. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3. Come and count with me. 4, 5, 6. Isn't this fun to fix? 7, 8, 9. We're doing just fine. 10, 10, 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. to the